My country people, what a beautiful way to start up this new month. Congratulations to Veekee James, so no be small thing. Making it to CNN, no be small thing, no be my at all. If not, una favorite for don't make am. But see this girl that God has blessed. Mommy, Veekee James has finally made it to all thanks to Baba God. E no dey easy. A girl from the trenches. Now God just bring up, come clean am up, come say your own time is here. Veekee James, finally your hard work done dey pay off. We are V James Army, make una march forward. Queen don't finally give us the bragging right again. Seriously, no dey easy. I don't know why I'm emphasizing on no dey easy, but seriously, no dey easy. Make I play the video, make all of us watch this beautiful video together. I'm sure it will make your month. As you are tapping into this grace, as you're saying congratulations to her, your own is on its way. So type in with faith, your own go come.
Welcome back. Nigerian designer Veekee James. She never thought she would go into fashion, but this 28-year-old has carved a space for herself in the industry. With an incredible grass to grey story, she hopes other people will be inspired by.
I'm here to show you that you can do that. I am Veekee James, and I am a change maker. So this is the house where we grew up, myself and my family. And yeah, we lived here for 16 to 17 years before I traveled to Akwa Ibom for school. And my mom continued living here until I moved out in 2020. I started in my mom's parlor. This was dikeh because before I even started my brand, she was already popular. So she already had a fan base and all of that. She always wore my dresses.
Fashion designer Veekee James. We joined her in Lagos as she held the second edition of a masterclass for fashion brands to teach them a few of her trade secrets.
Okay, so we're at the Jewel Ida. I'm having my masterclass here. Might be just because I've raised women that are making the world proud.
Powerful girl.
I want to be that kind of woman.
What emotions do you have right now?
It's not with.
Don't worry. It was so perfect.
Next one is missing you. That's where we'll be. Watching all your
My people, this video sweet me, I no go lie. Hey God, I'm so happy for her. We are the V James Army, make una come forward. Queen don bag another bragging right for you guys, so make una come forward, come congratulate her, cause you know dey easy. She really made una proud. She really made African proud. She really made Nigeria proud. She really made me proud. And this is another motivation to me and so many girls out there wey wan lose hope. Maybe things wey they do, you know they see results. No lose hope, cause now who lose hope, now him lose God. Make this Veekee James progress and success be a motivation to you. Say things go better. Say one day everything will be fine. Okay, Miami ball lovers, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news with the totori body. You know see they do for my page. No dumb moment for my page as all. As I dey cook am inside the can't give you. I still your one and only Amiibo girl Cindy. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah now. Bye.